Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get new Octabloom seed in Grow Garden, a game of Roblox new trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the trader event update has been dropped in Grow Garden and they have added new seed called Octabloom seed. And you can buy the Octabloom seed from the seed shop. This is how the Octabloom seed looks like. And if you want to get this seed faster, guys, I recommend you to join the admin abuse event, which happen every week on the weekend. So don't miss the admin abuse event because usually the admin will restock the rare seed, such as the Octabloom seed and then the crimson seed and so on. So don't miss the admin abuse event. And the second method that you can try is using the pet like dog or Shiba Inu, the pet that have ability to dig up seed. It will give you more possibility to get the Octabloom seed. And the last method that you can try is joining the Grow Garden Discord server and turn on the seed notification. So every restock in Grow Garden will give you notification on the Discord. Okay, and that's all the tips from me guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.